Hi friends, today in this video we'll discuss about what foods to avoid for hernia. Before looking into foods to avoid and foods to eat in a hernia condition, let us quickly discuss about what is hernia and their symptoms. A hiatal hernia is a condition where upper part of the stomach abnormally protruding through hiatus. Common symptoms of hiatal hernia is gastroesophageal reflux, commonly called as GERD, and also pain and discomfort in chest area. So, during this condition, the best diet is to reduce GERD and reduce acid reflux. Let us see the foods to avoid during hernia. First one, citrus fruits like orange, lemon, grapefruit and their juices. They produce more acid in the stomach, so avoid it. Second one, chocolate. Third one, fatty foods and fried items and even fatty meats. Fourth one, garlic and onions. They aggravate acid secretion. Fifth one, spicy and masala foods. Eating spicy foods increase acid reflux, so aggravate hernia. Sixth one, acidic foods like tomato and their dishes like sauces and juices. Seventh one, avoid coffee and tea. They do aggravate acid reflux. Eighth one, carbonated beverages. So these all foods need to be avoided during hernia condition. Now let us see which are the best foods during hernia condition. Number 1, fruits like apple and bananas. Second one, vegetables like beans, peas, carrot and broccoli. Third one, cereals and millets like rice. Fourth one, low fat milk and milk products. Fifth one, protein rich foods like fish, chicken and lean meat. And lastly, water. Drink lots of water, which is helpful for reducing acid reflux. I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos.